Well, one of the oldest U.S. citizens to survive COVID-19 lives right here in northeast Wisconsin. Local 5's Rhonda Fox talked with this woman who survived not one, but two pandemics a century apart.
The amazing thing with Aunt Esther is that at 108 years old, she is now a survivor of COVID-19.
Ruth Stryziski, affectionately known as Aunt Esther, is quite a remarkable woman, not only because she's the oldest resident at Parkview.
Well, how did you get to 108? We want to all know about that.
I have no idea.
She's also recovered from the coronavirus.
You're feeling much better and you're getting your strength back. I've had the pleasure of knowing Ruth for almost 9 years. She's someone that everybody should follow.
This isn't the first health crisis Ruth has survived. She's also lived through the Spanish flu.
We have tried to discuss that with her, and luckily, I think, when that occurred, she was a young child. Ruth is my aunt. She was born in 1912. She married Elmer in Oshkosh many years ago. They spent a lot of their married life traveling because they didn't have children.
So Ruth's nephew Dave is like her son, and it's the memories of her only nephew that add to Ruth's longevity.
She told the story of remembering me as a 5-year-old little boy coming over and ringing their doorbell, and they'd open the door and I'd say, "Can I come in?"
I said, "Well, come in." And I started taking care of him. And he was my best friend. He still is.
Dave says surviving the Spanish flu wasn't as difficult because Ruth was a child and distancing was part of rural life.
They didn't live in a big city, so they didn't have to really avoid people.
Now that most of Ruth's family has passed on, distancing during COVID-19 is tough.
It's very difficult for her to be without daily visits.
But a healthy dose of family, friends, and life's pleasures.
She loves her cranberry juice. That's one of her favorite afternoon beverages.
Helped to give Ruth brawn to celebrate her birthday next month.
So being 108 years old and being a survivor of the virus is something that's just amazing.
In Oshkosh, Rhonda Fox, Local 5 News.
Amazing indeed. Thanks, Rhonda. You heard Rhonda mention Ruth will turn 109 next month on February 20th. And if you'd like to send her a birthday card, visit our website, wearegreenbay.com, to learn how. Well, locals can